Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anuja and I'm back with a new video. So today's video is gonna be a vlog and I'm doing something interesting today which you must have read by the title. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So before starting with the video, I just want to put out some disclaimers, and first I'm going to put you on tripod and then continue. As you've read by the title, I am attempting to do a water fast for 36 hours, and although this is my first time, I am doing it under the guidance of my nutritionist. So that is my first disclaimer. Please consult a doctor or a nutritionist before you do this, so that you'll come to know if it's gonna be beneficial for you or if you should do it or no. And the second disclaimer I want to put out is that this is not a challenge or a trend or anything of that sort. This is just something I'm trying to see if it's gonna benefit me or not. Alright, so today is the 21st and it is already 3 p.m. and I started my fast on 20th of June. I don't know why can't I speak. On 20th June at 10 p.m. after my dinner was done. And basically the point was to start at night because I'll sleep, so utna time is spent in sleeping, so I won't feel hungry. But turns out I did not sleep last night. I was doing something. I was filming a reel and I took some photos and I was very excited. But yeah, I was up all night doing that. I slept at around 6 o'clock or something, which is really bad. Honestly, I need to change my sleep cycle. But yeah, those creative juices were just flowing and I thought I should go with it. So I woke up late today naturally, and honestly I have done intermittent fasting like in the last lockdown, so 16-17 hours is not a big deal for me right now. It's right now 17 hours, it's 3 and I started at 10 p.m. last night, so 17 hours already ho gaya. I have drank a little bit of water obviously here and there, but yeah, so it was a smooth sailing till now, but let's hope it, I don't know कैसा होने वाला है आगे, and obviously I'll share my experience with you later if I am able to complete 36 hours or no. Let's see. So I'm gonna multitask now. I'm gonna talk as well as moisturize my body. So where was I? Okay, so I just want to say a few things about fasting that I know of. It's supposed to be beneficial for us because जितना food important है उतना fasting is also important. You just can't keep putting food in your body. Our body also needs a little bit of rest. Our digestive system needs rest. So that is why fasting is good. And also one more thing I just want to mention about fasting is that कि ये obviously weight loss में help करता है, but more than that it is good for your body, like health benefits ज़्यादा है. So if you go into it thinking about your health, that'll be better. The weight loss is the byproduct of it. If you go into it thinking कि ओ मुझे weight loss करना है, तो थोड़ा सा वो harmful हो सकता है in my opinion. So something to think about. So I'll keep giving you guys update as in how my day goes. As I've already said, I'm used to fasting for 16 hours, but post that I really want to see how it goes for me. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So a little update. It's around 6:30 now and I feel a little tired. So I'm gonna take a nap for some time, like an hour, and then figure what to do. But honestly I don't think कि 36 hours होगा like मुझसे. So I'm gonna push till 24, trying till 24. Let's see. Like 24 तो हो जाएगा आराम से, I know, because उतना तो मतलब समझ में आ रहा है, but 36 का I'm not really sure. So let's see.
1 hour later.
guys, so the last clip you saw was me breaking my fast, and anyway, so I wanted to end this video in a proper way. That is why I thought कि हम हमारा experience आपको बताएं fasting के बारे में. I did for 22 hours and she did it for 38 hours, which is really cool. So हमें बस अपना experience आपको बताना था. That is why we thought we should come here and end this video with our experiences. So starting with me, since I'm the beginner here. As I had mentioned कि मैं 16 hours तक तो आराम से कर सकती हूँ. By 20 hour, I remember the 20th hour, it was really difficult. थोड़ा सा headache होने लगा था मुझे. That is why I drank the hot water which you saw in the video. But उसके बाद भी it was fine for few minutes, like half an hour, 1 hour तक ठीक था. उसके बाद I remember again in the last clip you saw that I was going to take a nap at 6:30, but when I woke up, my headache was terrible. I thought कि taking a nap might help and थोड़ा सा control में आ जाए, but that did not happen, and that is why I decided कि I should break my fast and just eat, because अगर मैं उसके आगे तक stretch करती तो पता नहीं, शायद से it might have done like more bad than good to me. इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि खा लेते हैं. But again I think there's no proper way ना someday fast थोड़ा ऐसा कहीं है नहीं ना. There is no so I think till 36 hours तक ऐसे there's not such a thing where
after 72 hours and
okay, so after 72 hours if you do your fast for 72 hours तो तभी आपको properly fast break करना होता है. So anyway, I ate my dry fruits and a fruit because I was feeling very hungry, and उसके बाद I had little bit of rice with sambar and I was set, like that was enough for me. So that was the whole thing. But coming to experience wise, my body felt really great. I was feeling so light. I mean, it was good because as I had mentioned, I was feeling bloated a lot. So this really helped me in that. So now coming to my mom, she's gonna share her experience. वो आपको बताने वाली है कि कैसे she has done it.
मैं बेसिकली 2 साल से मेरे बॉडी को प्रिपेयर कर रही थी फास्टिंग के लिए, from 12 hours to 13-14 hours. Then last year full 1.5 months I have taken a 1 meal a day का प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी. तो उससे धीरे धीरे ऐसे करके मैंने बॉडी को तैयार किया था. और 1 meal a day का मेरा प्रैक्टिस तो चल रहा था 15 डेज में या 1 month में एक बार, 15 डेज में एक बार, ऐसे ऑलमोस्ट. लेकिन बीच में फिर मेरा सब पैरामीटर्स ठीक होने के बाद थोड़ा ढीला पड़ गया था मेरा फास्टिंग और खाने का कॉम्बिनेशन. तो आई थिंक कि मुझे वापस एक बार थोड़ा स्ट्रेच करना चाहिए फास्टिंग. सो आई विल गो फॉर 24 का द प्रैक्टिस था, तो आई विल गो फॉर द 36 आवर्स फास्टिंग. तो मैंने वो स्टार्ट किया. 28 आवर्स के बाद थोड़ा सा मुझे हेडेक, लिटिल बिट हेडेक था, लेकिन उसके बाद सोना ही था 8 घंटा, तो मैंने चल जाएगा. लेकिन 36 आवर्स के में सुबह उठने के बाद वापस बिल्कुल भूख नहीं लग रही थी, कुछ नहीं, और हेडेक भी नहीं था. आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी लाइट, वेरी फ्रेश, एंड दिस एक्सपीरियंस वॉज वेरी गुड फॉर मी अगेन. 38 आवर्स आई कुड फील कि आई कैन डू इजीली अप टू 38 आवर्स, 36 आवर्स 38 आवर्स फास्टिंग. सो ये वीडियो देख के अपने आप फास्टिंग चालू मत करना, क्योंकि आई हैव डन दिस विद द गाइडेंस ऑफ आवर न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट.
Like my mom has done a lot of research also. Like she has watched a lot of videos, but again वो videos देखने के बाद with the help of her nutritionist, वो fasting का जो भी mom ने किया था, it was under the guidance of her nutritionist. So please don't do it अपने आप से. Research करो, nutritionist से सलाह लो, and then go for it. So to conclude this video, as my mom had said, she had prepared her body for it. तो वैसे ही धीरे धीरे फास्टिंग करके वो टाइम लिमिट बढ़ाना होता है. इवन आई स्टार्टेड विद लाइक 12 hours, देन 14, देन 16, ऐसे करके मैंने इंटरमिटेंट स्टार्ट किया था. ऑब्वियसली आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट लाइक प्रॉपरली अभी, बट आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू डू दिस वाटर फास्ट ट्वाइस अ मंथ, like 15 days में एक बार. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.